Example 7 in rate measure onset. Okay, a spherical iron ball of 10 centimeters radius is coated with a layer of ice. Uniform thickness 5 that melts at the rate of 50 centimeter cube per minute. Find what rate thickness of ice decreases. For example, this is the iron ball whose radius is 10 centimeters. This is iron ball is coated with an ice of uniform thickness. Let x is the thickness. Okay, radius of the iron ball. Ball equal to 10 centimeters. Thickness of ice. Thickness of ice. Equal to x centimeters. So what happened? The ice is melting at the rate of 50 centimeter cube per minute, means the volume of ice is decreasing. How to find volume of ice? Okay. Volume of bigger sphere minus volume of smaller sphere gives volume of the ice. At what rate volume of ice is decreasing? 50 centimeter cube per minute. If while volume is decreasing, automatically thickness of the ice will decrease. What rate thickness of the ice will decrease? That should find now. Okay, what should find? We need to find dx by dt at what thickness? X equal 5. At x equal 5. What is given? So what is given here? The ice melts. The ice melts at the rate of 50 centimeter per minute. That means volume of ice is equal to minus 50 centimeter cube per minute. So here V stand for ice, volume of ice. V stand for volume of ice. Now I want to find the volume of ice. Volume of ice, bracket V, equal to volume of bigger sphere. Volume of bigger sphere. Bigger sphere minus volume of smaller sphere. Smaller sphere. Okay. Volume of the bigger sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. R means 10 plus x. 10 plus x cube. Okay. Minus 4 by 3 into smaller sphere radius is 10. Pi 10 cube. You know the formula. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of a sphere. So here I can take 4 by 3 pi common. 10 plus x whole cube minus 10 cube. No need to expand. Now I am differentiating with respect to time. dv by dt equal to 4 pi by 3 constant into 10 plus x cube means 3 times of 10 plus x whole power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Inner function 10 0 for x dx by dt. This should find out. Dx by dt should find out. dv by dt is given as 50. 50. But you need to write minus 50 because decreasing, no? Minus 50 is equal to 4 pi by 3 into 3. At what instance? X equal to 5 instance. 5 10 plus 5 15 square means 15 into 15 into dx by dt. From this we need to find dx by dt. 3 get cancelled. Okay. 5 3s are 5 10s are 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are Therefore, what you got here? Dx by dt equal to minus 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. 1 by 18 pi. So 1 by 18 pi centimeter per minute. So then final conclusion, dx by dt equal to minus 1 by 18 pi centimeter per minute. Means at what rate what rate thickness is decreasing, means you can say that minus 1 by 18 pi centimeter per minute. Example 8. A man of height 180 centimeters is moving away from a lamp post at the rate of 1.2 meters per second. If the height of the lamp post is 4.5 meters, find the rate at which his shadow is lengthening, the tip of his shadow is moving. So first of all, we need to draw a rough sketch for this problem. Okay, this is the lamp post, this is the ground. Okay, so this is the position of the person is traveling away from the lamp post. For example, our marker is assumed as person is traveling away from the lamp post. So at time instance, the position of the man is this. So distance between the man and the lamp post is taken as x. Okay, if this is the man, this is the light source, automatically this become the shadow. Let the length of the shadow be y. Okay, what happened here? So he is walking away from the lamp post, means x is changing. So he is walking away from the lamp post, means automatically his shadow also will change. Okay, y also will change. Dx by dt is given as 1.2 meter per second. We want to find his shadow lengthening. What rate shadow lengthening means dy by dt should find. Dy by dt should find. Dx by dt is given. One more thing. The tip of his shadow is moving. Where is the tip of shadow mean? This is the tip of shadow. What rate it is moving? What rate? Initially, one time sense, the distance from tip of the shadow to lamp post is x plus y. What rate this distance is changing means we want to find what is d by dt of x plus y. D by dt of x plus y. Okay, what is given? What you need to find? Should write first. Okay. Dx by dt given, that is 1.2 meter per second. 1.2 meter per second. Here height of the man is given 180 meters, 180 centimeters. So I want to convert all in terms of centimeters. That's why dx by dt is given as 1.2 meter per second, or I can write 120 centimeter per second. Okay, so what should find? dy by dt is equal question mark. At what rate that shadow is lengthening? Next one is what rate the tip of the shadow is moving. So distance from tip of the shadow to the lamppost is x plus y. What rate x plus y is changing means d by dt of x plus y is equal question mark. Also given the length of the lamp post is given as 4.5 meters. Again I want to convert centimeters, so I can say 450 centimeters. Okay, so we want to create the relationship between x and y by using this right triangle and this right triangle. Both right triangles are similar right triangles. So directly I can say that 180 by 450 is equal to this side y by this total side x plus y. Understood? No? A smaller right triangle is similar to bigger right triangle because 90 degree and this is common. Okay, so this side by this is equal to this side by this because if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, 180 by 450 equal to y by y plus x or x plus y. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 2s are 9 5s are 2x plus 2y equal to 5y or 2x is equal to 3y. This is the relationship between x and y. Now differentiating with respect to time. Differentiating with respect to time. Okay. 2 into dx by dt equal to 3 into dy by dt. Already dx by dt is given as 120 centimeter per second. I can write 122 into 120 equal to 3 times of dy by dt. 3 ones are 3 40s are. Therefore, what I got here? dy by dt is equal to 80. What is that 80? 80 centimeter per second means what rate is shadow is lengthening means I can say that the shadow is lengthening at the rate of 80 centimeter per second. Next, what should find? The tip of his shadow is moving. The tip of his shadow is moving. The tip of shadow means d by dt of x plus y should find. Second one. This is first one. Second one. d by dt of x plus y should find. By some rule directly you can say that dx by dt plus dy by dt. Already dx by dt is given as 120 plus now we got dy by dt as 80. Totally we got 200. Means at what rate tip of the shadow is moving means at the rate 200 centimeter per seconds. You can write the tip of shadow is moving. The tip of his shadow moving at the rate 200 at the rate 200 centimeter per second. Friends, example 9. A man is moving away from a tower of height 85 feet at the rate of 4 feet per second. Find at rate at which his angle of elevation of the top of the tower is changing when he is a distance of 60 feet from the tower and height of the man is given as 5 feet. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of angle of elevation. Okay, observe here. Yeah, this is the ground. This is a tower. This is the top of the tower. This is the man. This is the observer's eye, man's eye. You can say observer's eye. Now we want to find what is the angle made by observer's eye to observe the top of the tower. We need to join top of the tower to eye. This is called vision ray. From observer's eye, we need to draw a line parallel to ground. This is called horizontal ray. The angle between vision ray and horizontal ray is said to be the angle made by observer's eye to observe that object. In this example, vision ray is above the horizontal ray. Then the angle made by observer eye is said to be angle of elevation. Another situation. Yeah, the object is here, person is here. This is observer's eye. Now we want to find what angle observer's eye is making to observe this object. We need to join eye and object. This is called vision ray. From observer's eye, we need to draw a line parallel to ground. This is the angle made by observer eye to observe at the top of that object or the point. This is horizontal ray. So here what happened? Vision ray is below the horizontal ray. Then the angle made by observer eye is said to be angle of depression. Means vision ray is below the horizontal ray. What is the angle made by observer's eye is said to be angle of depression. If vision ray is above the horizontal ray, then the angle made by observer's eye is said to be angle of elevation. Here, angle of elevation. So, that is the meaning of angle of elevation. Now, what is the situation here? So, this is the ground, this is the tower. Same, the person, this is, for example, my marker is person is walking away from the tower. He is walking away from the tower at the rate of 4 feet per second. 4 feet per second. Away, he is walking away from the tower. At one time instance, the position of the person is here. The distance between tower and the person is taken as x. Okay, so this x is changing. At what rate? 4 feet per second. dx by dt is 4 feet per second. dx by dt is 4 feet per second. That is given. So, if the person is walking away from the tower, his shadow will lengthen. You know how to find what rate his shadow is lengthening. Problem is not like that. What is the problem here? Find the rate at which his angle of elevation of the top of the tower changing when he is a distance of 60 feet from the tower. When x equals 60 cents, you will find what is the change of angle of elevation. Means what happened here? This is the observer's eye. This is the top of the tower. We need to join this vision ray. We need to draw a line parallel to the ground, horizontal ray. This is called angle of elevation. Or this angle is said to be the angle made by observers to observe the top of the tower. Now, while he is walking at a stage, this is vision ray, this horizontal ray, this is the angle beta. So what happened? Theta to beta changed, no? So what rate this theta is changing? So what is the question? We want to find what rate theta is changing. Okay, children, I want to draw a rough sketch for this problem. Yeah, this is the tower. This is the ground. After some time instance, this is the position of the man. Okay. So what is given? A man is moving. Man height is given 5 feet. This is 5 feet. Okay. So next, what is given? Height of the tower is given as height of the tower 85 feet. So he is moving. He is moving away from the tower. So we need to find what change happened in the angle of elevation. So we need to draw horizontal ray. What rate theta is changing? A, B, C, D. Let it. This is x. Okay. A man is moving away from the tower of height 85 feet at the rate of 4 feet per second. Means change in x is given as 4 feet per second. What rate theta is changing should find. First of all, I want to write what is given data. So given AB equal to 85 feet. I am not mentioning that. CD equal to person's height, that is 5. dx by dt given. Dx at what rate x is changing is given clearly. What is that? 4 feet per second. 4 feet per second. What should find? D theta by dt should find. Means dx by dt is given. We want to find d theta by dt, means we want to create the relation between theta and x. So by using this triangle, we can create it. The AD is x, this is also x only, because it is a rectangle. So I can say A, B, C, D, E, I can say this point. Okay. Okay, from triangle CEB, I want to create the relation between theta and x, no? Tan theta equal to opposite side means BE. That is, this is 5, this is 5, total 85, this is 80. 80 by adjacent side x. Okay, so this is the relationship between theta and x. Here we want to find d theta by dt, differentiating with respect to time. This is secant square theta, because tan the difference secant square theta into d theta by dt is equal to 80 into 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square, inner x dx by dt. Okay, So what you want? You want this. Dx by dt is given as here 4 somewhere. Okay, you can substitute. What x instance? What x instance? 60 feet from the tower. That instance. X equal to 60 feet instance. Here instead of x square, you can write 60. Instead of dx by dt, you can write 4. We want d theta by dt. Means you want secant theta value. If you know secant theta value, by substituting, you get the d theta by dt. So means that we need to find secant theta value. I am finding here secant theta value. In this triangle, from this triangle, this is theta, this is 80. X, what instance you want to find? X equals 60 feet instant. That instant I want to find secant theta. That's why this is 60. X equals 60 instance. So tan theta equal to 80 by 60. 0 get cancelled. 4s are 3. So tan theta 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4, 3, this is 5. So what happened secant theta here? Secant theta equal to 5 by 3. So now I want to substitute. Secant square theta 25 by 9 into d theta by dt. Should find. Okay, Nana? Minus 80. Okay. Into 1 by x square. X means 60. 60 into 60 into dx by dt 4. We need to simplify it. 1 0 0 get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 30s are okay 2 4s are 2 15s are 3 3s are 3 5s are okay. So what happened? D theta by dt equal to minus 4 by 5 into 25. That is equal to final answer. I am writing here, Nana. Here I am writing d theta by dt equal to minus 4 by 25. 5s are 25, 125. Okay, feet for no. Theta, no, radian per second. Radian per second. So the question is, what rate of angle of elevation is changing means minus 4 by 125 radian per second. Okay, friends. Example 10. Two men A and B starts with the velocities v at the same time from the junction of two roads inclined 45 degrees to each other. If they traveled by different roads, find rate at which they are being separated at the end of 1 hour. For example, these are two roads inclined by 45 degrees. One person is traveling on this road. Another person is on this road. So after some time, the position of the person is here. Position of second person is here. Say A is here and B is here. The distance between A and B is this. After some time, A is here and B may be here. So what happened? The distance between them is this. At what rate distance between them is varying? That should find. What rate the distance between them is varying. Okay. Now I want to draw diagram for this. This is the road number 1. This is road number 2. Both are started at this point with the same velocity. Angle between these roads is 45 degrees. Let distance travelled by both in 1 hour equal to x kilometers. After 1 hour, the position of the A is here, the position of B is here. So this is becomes x, this becomes x. So assume that AB equal to y. Let AB equal to y. Here what is the y here? The distance between them after 1 hour. Y. Now what you want to find? At what rate y is changing? At what rate y is changing? So we need to find dy by dt. what is given? Okay, dx by dt is given. Dx by dt is given as v. Given dx by dt equal to v. So dx by dt is given as v. We want to find dy by dt, means we want to create the relation between x and y by using this triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, in this triangle, this angle is 45 degree. This side is x. This side is x. This side is equal to y. So using cosine rule, you can find the relation between sides by cosine rule. Cosine rules. I want to write here now. What is the cosine rule? This is ABC triangle. This is small a. This is small b. This is small c. Cos a. Cos a. Cos a equal to b square plus c square. B square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. This is the cosine rule. Statement of cosine rule. Similarly, cos b you can write cos a also correct. Cos a equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Same cosine rule I am using here. From cosine rule, from the triangle, I can say this is MAB. Cos 45 degree is equal to x square plus x square minus y square by 2 times of x into x. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 2x square minus y square by 2x square. Okay, 2 terms of this side are cancel. Root 2 times root 2x square equal to 2x square minus y square, or y square equal to 2x square minus root 2x square. Here I can take x square common. What will 2 minus root 2? X square times of 2 minus root 2. Okay. Next, y equal to x times of root over 2 minus root 2. What do you want? We want dy by d theta. Differentiating with respect to time. Dy by dt equal to dx by dt into constant as it is 2 minus root 2. Already dx by dt is given as v. Therefore, dy by dt equal to v times of root over 2 minus root 2. This is the answer for the problem. Find the rate at which they being separated. At the end of 1 hour means in this rate they are separating.